Welcome to part B of the MTN API LARAVEL Integration. My name is Simon Peter from Pogi Code and Sizniki. Now, I want to thank you so much for subscribing. If I go onto my channel, my videos have good statistics. I've managed to reach a 7.6 click. Okay, and then YouTube is also recommending my videos based on the impression. People have watched the playlist, that is good, and then there is also a high percentage of the YouTube search. And then I have let me see the number of subscribers. Come on, for this month I've had 16 subscribers for the last 28 days, but previously I had about 20 subscribers. If I go to my monetization, okay, I have now 139 watch hours and 82 subscribers. That is not bad. I need to hit 1,000, okay, and then 4,000 watch hours. Now the watch hours, the way they work, if you just download the video, okay, you're not giving me watch time. But if every of the 82 subscribers can watch the video for at least the entire, maybe 20 minutes or 10 minutes, it means 82 times the 10, I'll have 810. Okay, let me just do the science here. 82, sorry, times 10, I just did. I would have 820, okay, minutes, then divided by 60, then I'll have 13 watch hours added onto this. Alright, so I ask you to support me. Now, all those who want to support the development of the project, please, you can write to me at crankluger, okay, at gmail.com. Then I share with you my MTN numbers, and then if you're in Uganda, you can support me with something, all right? And then if you're outside Uganda, you can still write to me, and then I share with you my PayPal account. Okay, so I teamed up with bmatovu, okay, and then to create videos based on his package. So if you want to hire bmatovu or visit you can visit his website, which is bmatovu.com, and then he has a lot of tutorials that you can read and follow step by step. Okay, you can read, follow step by step. All right, and then okay, and then he's teaching very many things, okay, on his website. There is even Laravel, okay, so you can go and then you read more, okay, on how to use everything. Now he also has this package of the multi-authentication, which items I think you can install. Now we're going to be using his package today. We're going to install it today. You can also reach to him on Scout. You can also reach on Skype. Sorry, mine is this Sizniki. That is my Skype ID. All right, so enough of talking. I need to brief the time. In the first video, we saw how to install Laravel. I'm using Mac. And then I'm also using VS Code because it has a terminal inside, and then I'm using the Git bash. All right, so we're already running our Laravel package, which is MTN Live for support. Now I think I need to change this so that people don't think I'm working in MTN or something. Let me put it Kamia Simon, okay, or Sizniki support, Sizniki for support. So let me come back to my Laravel project and change that. So this is my Skype ID. This is Nikki support. Let me save that and then come back and refresh. All right, so we're going to first install his package. Then in the next part, we will create a form, a LARAVEL form application, and then for us to integrate it with his package, people will have to first subscribe. I've had people use bad language, blame me for not creating videos, and those people are from Uganda, but they are not my subscribers. So why would someone blame me for that? So I'm keeping that on for only my subscribers. As long as you've subscribed, you just write to me. I'll send you a mail. I'll check and see if you've subscribed, and then send you a mail with a link to where the video is, the final video that makes, you know. We shall also do see how to go live and then how to change everything after going live. But for now, we're going to be testing with the sandbox. However, I'm going to add another terminal. How many terminals do I have? I have this. Okay, I have that for Shop Miley. Which other one? This. Okay, for that. So I'm going to add another terminal for this package. All right. And then let me hope I've typed it well. All right. So for you to have bmatovu's item, now you can also find it at the packages. Now let me the packages. He didn't share with me that link. Let me just hope I can find the the packages.org Brian MTN. Okay, so if you go to packages.org, here it is still, and then he's putting for each LARAVEL version. Okay, for each LARAVEL version. So we're going to follow each one by one. So but however, he's improving his package every now and then, so I would advocate you go and get it now. So this is Brian Matovu's package. If you go to packages, here it is. You just need to type MTN or bmatovu, and then you'll find bmatovu LARAVEL MTN, and then here it is on GitHub. So you just need to click on this, and then you go to the GitHub repository. Okay, it's a PHP package, and then you will find the same item. Now I already have the item here, so we're going to follow this item now. The package offers everything you need to integrate with MoMo API in your LARAVEL application. It provides a wraparound the core MTN MoMo API services, leaving you to worry about the other parts of the application. So all you have to worry about with this package is your logic. Remember in the first video of the use case, understanding the MTN use case, we said MTN is a transaction medium between your application and your customers. So all you have to worry about is the logic of you and your customers, but the integration with the MTN API, Brian Matovu already did it for you. All right, now, so to get started, install the package via Composer. So we're going to go and we're going to copy this. So Composer require bmatovu's package. So we just need to get it, and then we paste it here in our bash. And then all we have to do is wait. Now, as it installs, I'm going to take you through. So the next, for LARAVEL 5.3 and LARAVEL 5.4, you need to register the package service provider in the providers array in the config app, like that. But if you're using a later version, the package will auto discover this. Okay, so you don't need to worry about this class. And then configuration. Okay, so if you wish to customize the default configurations, you may export the configuration using this. So we're going to export our package to the vendor. This one we shall have to do. This one we shall have to do. And then he also has a database that is going to store our tokens. He created that, and then I'm going to show you everything. Okay, so let's check. Alright, so I don't know how long this will take. It may take according to your internet. But then this is what we shall do. His package helps us register. Now, you need to run this. We're going to initialize this package, this command, sorry. His package will help us. One, we shall have to choose if we are using collection or disbursement. Now, remember, the keys for collection are different from the keys for disbursement, are different from the keys for remittance. So if you're using an API key for this, it will be different from the one for this. Now, what I haven't inquired from him is if I have to install this to run this command again if I'm running disbursement and remittance. But however, after this, you can, after choosing which one you're running, you can generate, okay, an API user and API key. You must have already, you must already be signed in. So you can paste this, which is your product key. So the product subscription key, also called this. So this could be your primary key. And then after pasting this, then you choose what is your test environment. Is it sandbox or you're going live? And then the currency obviously will be euro, but he made options for you to choose. And then who is going to be your client? So the client app name, okay, by default he chose Laravel, but you can choose which client is. So all these are going to be registered in your Laravel. So all these will be registered in your Laravel environment here, okay. All those will be registered here, okay. So you don't need to worry about that, and which means we can change them at a later stage. That is why we have to run this command, okay. Where is it? This command for us to customize our configurations. And then okay, you can provide the callback host. By default it provides this. Now if you're using the sandbox, you may not need the callback host, but we shall put it there. But his package already caters for that, for the sandbox. And then you need to also put the API user ID, okay, but his application can generate that for you, and the X reference ID, if you'll have to paste them here, but his application can generate those for you. All right, so the package is equipped with more artisan commands, so we shall see how to use these artisan commands, but in the beginning we're going to first use Tinker, and we shall see that. All right, so here it is installing. Okay, I don't know how long it may take, but I wanted it to first install, and then we install using Tinker. All right, so I think after it installing, now in case it's not successful, you've seen his ID, his Skype ID. You can contact him. He has been of great help to me. We've been communicating, and then you can always, he can always help you, because sometimes when you're using Composer on slow internet to install his package, you may have issues. Alright, so your requirements could not be resolved to uninstallable set of packages. Now you see these are the things. Let me see. Don't install LARAVEL. Okay. Now the reason I have issues is because of what Brian talked about in his documentation here. Now it has not installed this for me, therefore I must put this manually, because I'm using a framework that is 5.4, right? So which it is warning me about here that I'm using version 5.4, so I must go and put that in that manually. Okay. All right, so those are the warnings, but I assure you it has installed the item for me. All I have to do is go and install that package manually. Now, for you to know that the item has been installed, okay, let us first check our vendor, all right, vendor, and then vendor. All right, so I'm going to first run a composer update because I'm not seeing it here. All right, so let me run composer update, right? Composer update, right? Problem is I'm doing live and I don't know how much some of this can take, but after seeing the package here in the vendor, that is where I will find the package. Everything will be good. It will bring bmatovu, you know, his package will be here like these other packages. All right, so I'll have to pause the video so we check the item, because we are live, we don't need to waste time. Then we check the items there because I don't have an online editor. All right, so thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share the videos. If you appreciate what these videos do for you, okay, please do not forget to if you appreciate what the videos do for you, please do not forget to share T. All right, thank you.